How the rich pay zero taxes legally. Picture this. Someone earning millions a year, and when tax season rolls around, their bill? Practically nothing. Feels unfair, right? But here's the catch. It's all perfectly legal. The rich don't just make money, they've figured out how to keep it. Meanwhile, the rest of us are stuck asking, where did all my hard-earned money go? But here's the good news. You don't have to be a billionaire to start using some of these strategies. Stick with me, and I'll break down exactly how the wealthy pay almost nothing in taxes and how you can take the first steps to level up your finances. And trust me, the last strategy we'll cover, it's a game changer. You don't want to miss it. The problem. Let's be honest, taxes feel like a trap. You work hard, you get your paycheck, and before you can enjoy it, a big chunk is already gone. But here's the thing. The tax system isn't broken. It's working exactly as designed to reward people who know how to play the game. Take this as an example. Elon Musk, one of the richest people on the planet, reportedly paid a tax rate of less than 3% one year. Meanwhile, most Americans pay somewhere around 14% or more. How? It all comes down to one key idea. The tax code favors wealth-building behaviors. The rich know this, and they act on it. The question is, are you ready to start playing the same game? Let's break it down. The solution's point one. Build assets, not wages. The first secret? The wealthy focus on assets, not paychecks. Because in the eyes of the IRS, not all income is created equal. For instance, a regular paycheck is taxed heavily, but if you invest in assets like stocks or real estate, the game changes. Those investments grow in value, and here's the kicker. You don't pay taxes on that growth until you sell. It's called unrealized gains, and it's one of the reasons the wealthy can watch their fortunes grow tax-free. Now, let me ask you, when was the last time you got a tax break for working overtime? Exactly. While most people work for money, the wealthy let their money work for them and keep the IRS at bay in the process. Point two, borrowing instead of selling. Here's another trick they use, borrowing against their wealth. Imagine this. You own $5 million in stocks. Instead of selling and triggering taxes, you go to the bank and take out a loan, using those stocks as collateral. The cash is yours to use, and because loans aren't considered income, there's no tax bill. Even better, the interest on that loan is often tax deductible. Think about it. The rich get to live off tax-free cash while their investments keep growing. Meanwhile, the rest of us are paying interest on credit cards and personal loans. This strategy might sound fancy, but it's just about using the tools available to anyone who owns assets. Point three, real estate tax perks. Now let's talk about real estate. If you've ever wondered why so many wealthy people invest in property, here's why. Real estate is like a gold mine for tax savings. First, there's depreciation. This lets you write off the wear and tear on a property, even if it's actually going up in value. It's basically a tax deduction for owning something that's getting more valuable. Then, there's the 1031 exchange. This is like trading up a house in Monopoly. You sell a property, use the profits to buy a new one, and defer paying taxes on the sale. Oh, and don't forget, rental income has tons of tax advantages too. The rich use real estate to build wealth and shrink their tax bills. And it's a strategy that's totally within reach for anyone willing to learn. The opportunity. So, what does this mean for you? The tax code isn't just for billionaires. It's for anyone who knows how to use it. You don't need millions to get started. You just need to start thinking like the wealthy. Here's how. Start investing in assets, even if it's just a little at a time. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs and 401ks. Learn about real estate opportunities in your community. Each step you take is a step toward keeping more of your hard-earned money and building long-term wealth. But here's the thing. All the tax-saving strategies in the world won't matter if you don't understand one core principle, the power of compounding. This is the secret that turns small steps into massive financial success. Click on the video on your screen now to learn how compounding works and how you can start using it today. Remember, the wealthy didn't get there by accident. They got there by playing smart. Now, it's your turn. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on powerful tips to build your wealth and secure your future. Your